Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding A Tempest in a Teapot. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often puzzles learners: a tempest in a teapot. This expression, rich in imagery and history, offers a window into the nuances of the English language. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. A tempest in a teapot is a metaphorical phrase used to describe a situation where a small problem is exaggerated out of proportion. Imagine a storm, or tempest, brewing not in the vast ocean, but inside something as tiny as a teapot. This vivid imagery helps to illustrate the idea of making a big fuss over something that is, in reality, quite insignificant. This phrase has a colorful history, originating from the 17th century. It's believed to have first appeared in its current form in the United States, but similar expressions exist in other languages, indicating the universal nature of the concept it describes. For example, the British version is often a storm in a teacup. The idea behind both versions is the same, highlighting humanity's tendency to inflate minor issues. Using a tempest in a teapot correctly can add flair and sophistication to your English. It's most appropriate in informal settings or discussions, where you're describing disputes or controversies that seem important to those involved but are actually trivial in the bigger picture. For example, they've been arguing for hours about who left the lights on, but it's really just a tempest in a teapot. The whole city was in uproar over the park's new color scheme, a classic case of a tempest in a teapot. English is rich with phrases that convey similar meanings. Knowing these can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of the language. Some examples include making a mountain out of a molehill and much ado about nothing. Each of these expressions highlights the human tendency to overreact to minor matters. We hope this exploration of a tempest in a teapot has been enlightening and adds a new layer to your understanding of English. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and history they carry. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use today's phrase when you encounter a situation that's being blown out of proportion. Until next time, happy learning!